Good morning students, welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to start our chapter next, that is chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is volcanoes, earthquake and storms. So this is our next chapter and it is too much interesting also. So before starting of this chapter, first we will see the learning objectives of this lesson. So learning objectives means what you are going to learn after this lesson. So first thing, natural disasters means what? So first thing you are going to learn natural disaster means what? Then volcanoes, earthquakes, tidal waves and tsunami. So these are the main learning objectives of this lesson. Okay students? So we will start our lesson. Do you know students about earthquake, about tsunamis, about storms? Yes? So these all are the natural disasters. Means these all are caused by due to the weather condition or due to the change in weather condition, and all takes place naturally. And due to these disasters or due to this natural disaster, people lose many things. They lose their property, they lose their animals, sometimes they lose their shelters, and even they lose their life also. So these natural disasters are, they are not good for living things. They are very harmful for us. So how they takes place, what effects are there, that we are going to learn. So natural disaster means what? So natural disasters are sudden events, or natural disasters are what? Sudden events. Events means ghatna. Sudden events caused by environmental factors. Due to the environmental factors like high temperature, air, water, heat. So these are the environmental factors. Due to these environmental factors that injure the people and damage the property. So these natural disasters injure the people. They injure the people as well as they damage the property of people also. Sometimes they lose their shelters. That's just now I said they lose their shelters, means homes, buildings. So have you noticed anywhere the earthquake? You know what happens when the earthquake occurs? So at that times the buildings and whatever the hanging photos are there on the wall, that all start to vibrate or shakes. Shaking of land is called an earthquake. So this is the natural disaster. Shaking of land means the land starts vibrating due to the pressure creates under the ground, and that is why land starts vibrate. Next, the most natural disasters are caused by weather. Just as I said, due to the change in weather condition, most of the natural disasters takes place or caused. So what are the natural disasters are there? Like volcanic eruption. Volcano come outside. Eruption means breakdown. Blast, breakdown. So when the pressure under the ground, actually the volcanic eruption is what, students? The lava which is present under the ground. Lava means that is the molten rock, liquid rock which has very high temperature. Due to the high temperature, this rock melt down like a liquid, and that liquid lava come outside or flows out of the earth's surface. That is called the volcano eruption. Means volcano come outside. So this volcano eruption, earthquakes and storms are the some examples that create a havoc of mankind and causes heavy damage to life and property. So these are the natural disasters. Okay students, so see students, we have learned today two things. First thing, what is mean by natural disaster? So what is mean by natural disaster? Natural disaster means sudden events caused by environmental factors that injure people and damage the property of the people. Second thing, examples of natural disaster. So what are the examples of natural disasters, students? The examples of natural disasters like earthquake, volcanic eruption, and next one, storms. Okay, so clear these 2 points. Now we go to the next point. What is volcano? See students, what is volcano? A volcano is a crack in the earth's surface through which very hot liquid rock called lava comes out. Just I informed you. Volcano is a hot liquid lava which is present under the ground, but it comes outside. Okay, now see, volcano is a crack in the earth's surface. So due to the crack in the earth's surface, through that crack, very hot, crack means the whole like part. So whole like part from in the earth. So through that whole like part, the hot liquid come out. So that hot liquid called lava. Lava comes out along with ash and gases. So this lava, can you see here? Yellow color. So this lava come outside and along with this lava comes ash and different gases also. Okay, so underline ash and gases. It is usually in the form of conical mountain. Whatever this forms, its shape is like a cone. Okay, conical shape or mountain like shape. There is a vertical tunnel in the mountain through which the lava comes out. Now see, vertical tunnel. Tunnel means what? There is a empty area. Okay, so empty area means like this tunnel. So through this empty area, the lava comes outside. Okay, through the tunnel. When the lava is underground, it is called magma. See, when the lava present under the ground, when this hot liquid lava present under the ground, at that time it is called as magma. You can underline, it is called as magma when it is under the ground. But when it come out of the earth surface, okay, when it flows out of the earth surface and come on the ground, so at that time we call as a lava. When the volcano erupts, it can cause destruction, but when the lava cools down, it hardens into the igneous rocks. Here, when this lava come out of the surface, it is too hot. So whatever comes under this lava, that all things die. Whatever living things are there, they die. Whatever the properties are there, whatever non-living things are there, all the non-living things damage. Even the land also become barren, means we cannot cultivate or grow their crops. But okay, this is the one thing. But after the cooling down of this lava, okay, so whatever this hot liquid is there, after cooling down this hot liquid changes into the rock. And which type of rock? Igneous rock. Okay students, understood? So what we have learned in this now paragraph, see what is meant by volcano. So volcano is a crack through which volcano is a crack in the earth surface through which the very hot liquid come out, that is called the lava. When this lava under the ground, it is called as magma. Okay, and when it comes out of the surface, okay, or on the earth, so so it is called as the lava. Okay, so this lava, when it is very hot, so it disturb or it destroy all the things whatever comes in that lava, okay, or under this lava. But after the cooling down of this lava changes into rock, and the rock name is igneous rock. Okay students, so I hope you understood today's part. In next video we will see the different types of volcanoes. Okay students, so today is your homework students. See students, today is your homework. You have to read this part very carefully at home. So first question, what is mean by natural disaster? Write any two examples of natural disaster. Second, write a short note on volcano. Okay students, we'll see remaining part in our next video.